Right now, this is only available on the Midjourney website. Go to Create. Start by creating a still image by using a manual prompt. A left hand holding an avocado. Select image. Animate image. Auto creates automated animations. You just click the button. Manual lets you type a custom prompt. Low motion for slower action and camera movement. High motion for, you guessed it, more action and faster camera movements. Let's select our image, auto and low motion. We get some videos, a couple of seconds each, in 480 pixels resolution. This will, of course, be improved in the future. Extend auto and manual makes the video longer. Right-click whatever you like and select the heart icon. This saves it to your likes view for easy access. Further help is always available on the Midjourney website. You know what to do. Subscribe, thumbs up, or write a comment under the video if you enjoyed it. Good luck with your video creations!